Welcome student. Today we are discussing volumetric analysis, that is the titration of KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. It is the titration of KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. In this burette I have filled the KMnO4 and there is a oxalic acids and you have to take the H2SO4. KMnO4 oxalic acid may be M by 14 or M by 20. Now this is the KMnO4 solution. This is the KMnO4 solution. You have to identify the strength and molarity of that KMnO4 solution. Now I fill the KMnO4 solution in the burette. This is the KMnO4 solution in the burette. You can fill up to the 50 marks. Okay. Now you have to take the one conical flask. This is the titration flask. This is the titration flask. Now you have to take dilute H2SO4. Why we are adding the dilute H2SO4? To prevent the hydrolysis. Now this is the funnel to fill the burette. So when we put the funnel on the upper side of burette, then you can add the KMnO4 from the burette. So there is a experiment to determine the molarity of KMnO4 solution, titrated standard solution of oxalic acid. I have taken the M by 14. This is the 8 marks question. So now I have filled the burette by KMnO4 solution up to the 50 marks. You can fill up above the 50 marks from the funnel, then you can remove the bubbles. This is the oxalic acid solution. M by 14 I have taken the oxalic acid solution. Now this is the titration flask. Now take the one test tube and you have to take the dilute H2SO4. Now there is a oxalic acid solution. First pipette out the 10 ml of oxalic acid solution from the beaker. Suck the solution above the each mark. Suck the solution above the each mark. Then remove the forefinger to release some solution till it reach to the each mark. Now release the solution. Then pipette out that requisite amount into the conical flask. Pipette out requisite amount into the conical flask. Do not worry about the last drop of the pipette. It is not get interfere any error. Now take out the dilute H2SO4 in the test tube. I have taken half test tube dilute H2SO4 in the conical flask, which I have added the oxalic acid. Now titrate this solution with KMnO4. Titrate this solution with KMnO4. Before titrating this solution, what you have to do? You have to switch on the burner and heat the solution. You have to switch up the burner and heat the solution. Why you are heating the solution? Because reactions are very slow in the cold condition. When we heat the solution, it Mn2 plus produce fastly. Heat up to 60 to 70 degree. Now titrate this solution with KMnO4. After, stir the solution and add 1 ml, 0.1 ml. Okay, add 1 by 1 ml, 1 ml. We have to add the solution. Add only 1 ml solution till the pink color persists. This is the end point of the titration. When pink color is persist, this is the end point of titration. Now you can do this reaction, this titration 2 to 3 times and observe the reading. Now the reading is 10.5. First time it come 10.5, then second point 10.4, again the third time 10.4.